Waking up stiff, sore and feeling like you've aged 20 years overnight? You're not alone, and here's the thing, it's not always your mattress, your age or the way you slept funny. Your back actually remembers what you didn't do before bed. And that's exactly why tonight I want you to try this simple 3-step bedtime routine that takes less than 5 minutes. And tomorrow morning your back will quite literally say thank you. In this video I'm going to show you the 3 simple bedtime stretches that help your spine unwind and reset. The real reason your back feels worse in the morning and how to stop it. And right at the end I'll share one bonus sleep position tweak that can completely change how you feel when you wake up. Stick around, this one could genuinely transform your mornings. Hey there, I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and welcome to the Gav Noble 10x Physio channel. The channel gives you all the top tips and tricks to help you lead a healthier life. We're specialists in helping people aged 50 plus stay pain-free, mobile and strong, and most importantly, keep you out of the doctor's office. If that sounds like something you want, tap subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video. Let's start with why your back feels so stiff when you wake up. During the day, gravity compresses your spine ever so slightly. The discs lose a bit of fluid and your muscles tighten up from sitting, driving, or even standing for long periods. When you lie down at night, your body wants to relax. But if those muscles stay locked tight, your spine can't fully unwind. That's why you wake up stiff and sore. Your back's been in tension all night long. So if we give it a few minutes to decompress before sleep, you'll wake up looser, freer and ready to move. Alright, step 1 is called the knee rock. So you're going to lie on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Next, gently rock both knees side to side like a slow windscreen wiper motion. No forcing it, just let gravity do the work. You'll feel your lower back and hips gently loosening. It's one of the best ways to calm those stiff joints before sleep. Do this for around 60 seconds, nice and easy breathing. Step 2 is what I call the spinal hug. Still lying on your back, pull both knees gently up toward your chest and wrap your arms around them. You'll feel your lower spine flatten against the bed. Breathe deeply, in through your nose and out through your mouth. You're decompressing the lower back and easing off all that tension that's built up through the day. If you can't bring your knees all the way in, that's fine. Even a smaller hug still helps. Quick question for you. Do you tend to wake up stiff in the morning or more sore at the end of the day? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what's going on with your back, and I personally reply to as many comments as I can. Step 3 is the gentle twist. Stay on your back, stretch one leg straight out, then cross the other leg over it, letting your knee fall across your body. Turn your head the opposite way, breathe in and then slowly out. You'll feel a lovely release through your lower back and your waist. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then swap sides. This move resets your spine and melts away that last bit of tension. Now, here's the bonus. Because your sleep position can undo all your good work if you're not careful. If you're a side sleeper, pop a small pillow between your knees. That keeps your hips and spine aligned. If you sleep on your back, slide a pillow under your knees. That flattens your lower spine and takes pressure off it overnight. It's such a simple tweak, but honestly, it can make all the difference between waking up stiff and waking up smiling. So there you have it, a 3-step bedtime routine that takes less than 5 minutes, helps your back unwind and sets you up for a pain-free morning. Try it tonight, and when you wake up tomorrow moving easier than usual, come back and drop a comment saying, "My back said thanks." If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone who always wakes up creaking, and make sure you subscribe for more physiotherapist approved tips to help you stay mobile, strong and pain-free for life. If you want to see one sleep position that you need to avoid, then please watch this video, which is linked on screen. It shows you what not to do when you go to bed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.